What's good, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you this fashionable and functional sweatsuit by RDX. These do come in different colors and different sizes. We also have the RDX Grip X1s. Let's get into the whole video of why you would want something like this when you're working out. And we will also be putting this sweatsuit to the test by wearing it through my daily workout routine and see if it actually delivers and I get more results faster. This is the RDX sweatsuit. Stay tuned for the whole video. All right, so this, my friends, is what you need if you want to lose a lot of weight quick. You wear this every workout, whether it's weight training or cardio. You will sweat immensely, so much so that you're gonna be wishing you got this earlier. Second use for this, wintertime. Keeps you extremely warm, meaning that you can wear this snowboarding, skiing with a very simple sweater underneath. So this is a hydrofoil sweat jacket. We have the whole set, including pants, and it's actually quite fashionable. Now, what you're gonna notice with these sweatsuits is that every entry point has a very tight band to make sure that no air escapes, of course, because the whole purpose is for you to sweat. These do come in different colors and different sizes, so make sure you definitely do get the correct size. Now, the inside, this feels almost like something that you would put on the inside of your car that reflects the light, the sun away from your car. It's very smooth and silky, so it's not going to feel strange. However, depending on the size, if you want to sweat more, you want to get the smaller size and you want to get it really tight. So there's absolutely no air when you're working out. That's going to force your body to essentially just sweat it out. Yes, some people will say that you're going to be perspiring water. In that case, it's true. However, it's going to push you more to lose not only just the water weight, but also you're going to lose some fat as well, because you're going to be extremely sweating when you're running or doing a Stairmaster. Also, one feature of the hoodie is that it goes right around your temple as well, so it's nice and tight. So again, in the wintertime, I'm going to be wearing this as well, and it's good. Drawstrings, again, the bottom of the jacket as well. So let's show you what this looks like on. So when I go to the gym, this is kind of what I wear. Now, you could put this on this, but you really shouldn't. You want to have the full effect. You want to go and put that on your skin. So let's just go put this on. As soon as it's on, it's going to cling to your body. And when you zip it up, right up to your neck, within 2 minutes, you're going to start feeling trapped. Like the air is just trapped inside. So this is what it looks like when it's on. It does look pretty fashionable, I gotta admit. It kind of feels like you're all sticky. Like there's like something stuck against you. But like I said, when you're working out, you're gonna sweat, you're gonna feel much better, and then you're gonna look more shredded. So let's go see it in the gym. 29 degrees, and I'm sitting in the car. I had a phone call that I had to take for about 5 minutes. I am literally pouring. Like I feel the sweat dripping all over my body under here. And I'm not even working out. Mind you, you would probably sweat even if you weren't wearing this because of the temperature. It's probably 35, 36 degrees right in this car because all the windows are closed. I can feel the heat when I'm breathing in. It's like scorching right now. But I'm gonna go hit the gym right now, and hopefully I'm just gonna be pouring. Okay, I just got out of the car. My back is soaked. Like when you're sitting, it doesn't feel like that, but oh my goodness, my elbows, there's like water sitting and pulling at the bottom of my elbow. So I can just imagine what it's gonna be like in the next half hour after I do a heavy workout. So you're gonna find out when you're really trying to work out heavy, you press down on your wrist. So these actually help you with holding up your posture without slouching too much if you're going too fast. All right, 101 floors climb, 16 minutes with a break. So this is actually helping me with the push-ups. I'm not fighting this strain on my wrists. I can just focus on the pump instead of like my wrists and making sure that they're not twisting or bending. You can also do this way, diamond push-ups, right? It also keeps my wrists nice and constrained. Alright guys, so I just did my regular workout routine. 100 floors on the Stairmaster and half a mile on the treadmill. And this jacket was loose, but now look, sweat dripping through. I thought it was sweat proof, but like there's so much sweat in me that it's being loose at the bottom. Like the bands are not lifting, but they're loosening up because it's all sweat in there, so it's getting heavy. So it's definitely working. All right guys, look at this. Absolutely drenched in sweat, but the material doesn't absorb it. Oh, very important though, when you're done your workout, you want to go and take a shower with proper soap. Because if you don't, some people may have issues with acne or oils in their skin, and it's just gonna bring that out and you're gonna have bigger issues. So I would definitely recommend, as soon as you're done, take this off, take a shower, stay hygienic. All right guys, so that's the first workout with all the gear. I gotta say, much better workout. I feel like I lost weight, honestly. And then my wrists don't even hurt. I was able to push more weight with these straps. So this is my go-to gear for now. I should have gotten blue though. I would have been all blued out. Anyway, that's the video. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.